This is Gordon, but what would it look like if there were two Gordons? Conjoined twins form when an embryo does not fully split when trying to split into two identical twins, and instead remains partially together. It happens really early, typically 13 to 15 days after conception, and the degree and location of the fusion depends on where the embryo is still intact. This photograph here is of an exceptionally rare case of conjoined twins called Cephalothoracopagus twins, and the photograph is from the Fool's Tower collection in Vienna. Cephalothoracopagus twins are typically conjoined at the skull and at the rib cage, where we'll have two separate spinal columns and two separate sets of limbs, but will only share one face. An even more rare type of Cephalothoracopagus twin is a Cephalothoracopagus Janiceps decimetros, and that is also very, very hard to say. Now, a Cephalophora Janiceps decimetros twin presents similarly to a typical Cephalothoracopagus twin, except it also has two fully formed faces, and sometimes they also face in opposite directions. There is also a variation called Cephalothoracopagus Janiceps monosymetros or asymmetros, where there's two formed faces, but one is more developed than the other. There are many medical collections across the world that display various cases and severities of conjoined twins. Now, it might seem like conjoined twins are more rare today than they were in the past, but that is really not true. Medical imaging technology has really improved in the last 100 years, and now doctors can assess for conjoined twins, and also there are surgeries available for separation whenever necessary. And there are also multiple conjoined twins out there that are living a perfectly normal life. So that's a little bit more about rare conjoined conditions. If you found this video interesting and you learned something new, make sure to follow the Bone Museum for more.